our latest on COVID-19 in our area. A new federal mandate says by January 4th, companies with 100 or more employees must get COVID-19 vaccinated or vaccines or comply to weekly testing. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration says anyone failing to comply could face a penalty of up to $14,000. Ericketta Koss has been learning more about the mandate today and joins us live with details. Ericketta.
Good evening, Adam. And so far, 11 states have filed a lawsuit against the mandate, claiming it's unconstitutional. But legal experts predict this might not hold up in courts. It's because employees can still opt for weekly testing. Legal expert Peter Polano says health and religious exemptions will also have to be considered. But even with these options, many clients are still asking him how a mandate like this is possible.
The federal government's going to claim that given the crisis, given what they've got to do, given all of the dramatic gestures they've already made to assist Americans, that this is an issue of national health and safety.
Some may argue that's a matter that should be for the states. Polano says, again, it comes down to the basis of health and safety.
If one state opts out and the sister state, a neighboring state could end up badly infected. Ultimately, I think that's going to be the basis of the federal government's argument. There's a states' rights component that I think courts may have to look at.
James Grasso is a partner with Phillips Light Law Firm, a company of over 100 people with offices in Rochester and across the region. He's been fielding many questions from clients, but he's also behind the scenes in logistics for his own company.
I'm involved because I do labor employment work. I'm involved in consulting with our managing partner about which way to go, whether to vaccinate or allow testing.
He says Phillips Light has already implemented a requirement for employees to either get vaccinated or test weekly, and so far it's been successful. Just under 10 employees with the firm are not vaccinated, so there's no concern for losing staff.
From a firm perspective, we want to do what's right to keep our employees safe, but at the same time also, we don't want to be heavy-handed.
Now, we also reached out to some other medium to large size companies across the region. Here's a statement from Wegmans. Our top priority continues to be the health and safety of our employees and customers. We are reviewing the regulations and continue to encourage all employees to get vaccinated to help keep themselves and our communities healthy. Reporting in Rochester, Ericketta Koss, News 8.
Thanks, Ericketta. Because vaccines are free, OSHA says companies do not have to provide or pay for tests. Today,